Welcome back. Today in JavaScript tutorial we'll talk about some important JavaScript operators. First operator we can mention is assign operator, and with this operator we assign value to specific variable. So if we create variable a and initialize with some number, you can see that we have assign operator here, and with this operator we assign value for variable a. Next we have arithmetic operators, and we use these operators to perform arithmetic operations on the operands or variables. So let's create one more variable. And now inside the third variable we can store result. After we use different arithmetic operations between variable a and variable b. So let's say we can use addition operator. And now inside the console of web browser show result, and result we have shown inside the variable c. So for that we use console log method, and here we're gonna specify the variable. Now we can save changes and reload page, and here we go inspect element and console tab, and you can see that we have result 15. Okay, also we can perform, let's say, subtraction operator. And obviously we have a different result. Or we can use multiplication operator. Now result is 50. And also we can use division operator between these two operands. Okay, also we have a increment operator. If we want to increment number by 1, and for that only we need to do is after operand add 2 time plus sign. So we can delete this code right here, and we can increment variable a, and on the same way we can decrement second variable, but this time instead plus sign we use 2 times minus sign. And now inside the console log we can show first variable a and variable b. Okay, now inside the console of web browser we should get number 11 for variable a and number 4 for variable b. If we want to compare two operands or two variables, we use JavaScript comparison operators. So when we compare two operands, if condition is satisfied, it will be returned true statement. And if condition is not satisfied, in that case we have a false statement. First comparison operator we can check between variables is equal to operator, and equal to operator contains two equal signs. Okay, now we can remove this code here. And now we have two variables a and b. And here we can add if condition. If a is equal b or equal to b, here we can add console log method, and inside the console log method add message a is equal to b. And if this statement or condition is not satisfied, inside the else block we can say a is not equal to b. Okay, you can notice that we have different values for variable a and b. So here we should get this message. Okay, let's save changes and reload page. And you can see we have message a is not equal to b. If we want to compare value and data type of variables, we use three equal signs. So here we can add one more equal sign. And also we can change value of second variable. And now we have same value for variable a and b. And if we save changes and reload page, now we have a first message, a is equal to b, because we have the same values. But if we change data type of second variable, and instead number, we have data type string. Now we should get second message, a is not equal to b, because beside value we check data type of variables, and data type is different for first and second operand. Also, beside equal to operator, we have not equal to operator. And the syntax is we type exclamation mark and after that equal sign. So here we can add new values for variables. And here we're gonna use not equal to operator. So like we said, we use the exclamation mark and after that equal sign. And here we can change message. If a is not equal b, we have a message a is not equal to b. And if this condition is not satisfied, in else block we have message a is equal to b. Okay, let's say changes and reload page. And now, because values of variables are different, we get first message. And also in the same way, if we want to compare value and data type between variables, we need to add one more equal sign. So here we add one more equal sign if we want to compare value and data type for variables. And here we have different values, and we have the same data type, but first condition is satisfied, and because we have different values, and we should get first message. And the last operators we're gonna mention from comparison operators is greater than operator and less than operator. For greater than, we use the greater sign or symbol. So here we can say if A is greater than B, we have a message A is greater than B. And inside the else block, we should get message A is less than B. So here A variable is greater than B, so we should get first message. And also we can check if A is greater or equal to B. In that case, if one of these conditions is satisfied, we should get first message. So if we change value of second variable, and here save changes, obviously we get second message because A variable is not greater than B. But if we add equal sign here, we should get first message because second condition here is satisfied. Okay, also in the same way we can use less than operator. So here instead greater symbol, we use less symbol. And here also we can change value of variable. And here we can say if A is less than B, we should get message A is less than B. And if condition first condition is not satisfied inside the else block, we should get message A is greater than B. Okay, in this case, variable A is less than B, so we should get this message inside the console log method. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have some questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.